Hey guys, we're back with a new set of amazing tools and gadgets for every woman. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Machika dough press set kitchen gadget for large and small dumplings. The Machika dough press has a crimped edge design, making sure dough seals tight and giving your pastry a professional look. The back side of the dough press cuts out perfect dough circles. Cooking should be fun and easy. This cool gadget makes cooking more enjoyable and allows to create the perfect moments to cook with the family. Different sizes, you will always have the right size tool for the right job. Endless possibilities. The varying sizes allow for the making of stuffed biscuits, meat pies, pierogies, Jamaican beef patties, dumplings, empanadas, ravioli, and much more. Easy to clean. The simple design makes it easy to rinse of any food and get rid of all residues, and is also dishwasher safe. Next, kitchen dish soap dispenser with sponge holder. High-quality, environmentally friendly materials. The kitchen soap dispenser sponge rack is made of high-quality ABS plus PC transparent material, safe, BPA-free, environmental, eye health, corrosion-resistant. Directly contact the liquid without chemical reaction with the liquid, that you can reuse for years to come. Large capacity and easy dispensing. Sponge soap dispenser only needs to gently press down with one hand to dispense an appropriate amount of soap onto the sponge, extremely easy to use and helps reduce soap wasted. The dish soap dispenser has a capacity of 12.5 ounces so that you don't need to refill it frequently, and suitable for all kinds of liquid soap. 2022 upgrade design 2-in-1 soap sponge holder. Simple and modern design incorporates a soap dispenser, tray holder and sponge, making it easy to dispense soap with one hand for quick dishwashing, whilst reducing the space taken up on your sink. Kitchen soap dispenser caddy contains 1 high-quality wood paddle sponges, and suitable for all sponges, scouring pads, scrubbers, rags. Leak-proof and easy cleaning. The dish soap dispenser with sponge holder can perfectly replace the traditional dishwashing liquid dispenser. The bottom of the tray rack is hollow and leak-proof design, which is convenient for storing residual liquid. When cleaning, it is only necessary to take out the tray shelf and pour out the liquid inside to clean. Very convenient, is a perfect gift for your friends or family. Next, LuxStep kitchen mat set of 2 anti-fatigue mat. Extra thick for comfort. 0.47-inch thick kitchen floor mat provides more cushion and stability. LuxStep 2-pack PVC kitchen rugs and mats are 20% thicker than others in the market. It is safer and more comfortable. Perfect for people who stand for long periods of time, and help relieve back pain, pressure of your knees, and the fatigue of your feet caused by standing. Waterproof and easy care. When water, stains or oil splashes on the kitchen mats, rinse off with cold water or wipe clean with a wet cloth and let it air dry for the daily care. This simple care routine saves your time and ensures your mat will be built to last for years to come. Non-slip texture. There is a unique non-slip texture design on the surface and the bottom of the standing mat for extra strong skid resistance that make mat keep in place well. This non-slip memory foam kitchen mat have excellent grip so that you can safely stand on the standing desk mat without worrying about getting injury. Premium materials. The anti-fatigue kitchen mats are made of high-quality PVC and thick foam. The premium material of floor mats for house will determine the durability, comfort, elasticity, softness. It keeps new as original even with continuous use. The kitchen floor mat's underlay should be clean, flat, and dry before placing the mat on the floor. Water or dust under mat may cause slippage. Next, Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. 7-in-1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like grandma used to make. Quick and easy clean up. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Proven safety features. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Great for growing families. Cook for up to 6 people, perfect for growing families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Versatile inner cooking pot. They use food-grade stainless steel, a tri-ply bottom for more even cooking and perfect for sautéing. Next, Chefin Lemon Fresh Force Citrus Juicer. Perfect tool for the job. Squeeze out every last drop with this lemon and lime hand juicer that produces 20% more juice than other citrus juicers. High-quality design. Innovative dual-gear mechanism increases pressing power to reduce hand fatigue. Durable nylon and stainless steel construction ensures a long lifetime of use. Simple to use, juice as many lemons and limes as you need with ease. Place the halved lemon into the juicer cut side down and squeeze to watch the dual-gear mechanism do the hard work for you. At home, whether in the kitchen or the bar, This manual juicer squeezes lemons, limes, and other small citrus fruits for your favorite recipe or cocktail. Easy to clean. Fully extend handles of the juicer and place on the top rack of the dishwasher.